Hey there awesome developers and welcome back to another amazing tutorial on React Native. In this video we are going to build a full stack React Native application using Expo, Supabase and ten-stack query for fetching the data. Okay, so we are going to implement the three-layer architecture where we have a UI layer and then we have a business logic layer and then we have a data access layer. So as you can see on the screen, by the end of this video you will be writing your own SQL queries like this. Then you will be writing your own 10 stack query logic like this wrapped inside custom hooks, and of course you will be building this super cool UI by yourself by the end of this tutorial. So now let us see a quick demo of what we are going to build. Okay, so here you can see we have a nodes application and we have a list of nodes which is completely scrollable, and each node has a node title, a node content and the date that it was created on. And we have trash icon as well, where you can, if you click on it, you will get this pop-up alert that are you sure you want to permanently delete this node. Okay, and in case you want to delete it, you can go ahead and press this delete, otherwise you can hit this cancel button. Okay, so you will learn how to create these also. And once we can also create a new node. Over here you can see we have this cross icon. If you do not want to create the node, you can cancel it and you can go back to the home screen. But if you want to create a node, you can write something over here. For example, important note and important content like this, and you can add a new note over here. Yes, so there you go. The UI has been updated immediately. So how is this happening? This is happening with the help of 10-stack query. So you will learn how you can invalidate queries so that the data that we add to the server get instantly seen on the UI as well. Okay, and from here you can delete some nodes if you want to. Let me delete this one. See, it got deleted instantly, right? So everything is happening very instantly. And now over here, let's say if you are writing something very important, okay, important, and this is also something very important, but by mistake you clicked on this cross icon. So instead of losing all your changes, it will give you a warning first that are you sure you want to discard them. So if you had mistakenly clicked over this, you can say don't discard, and then you can continue writing whatever you want to. But let's say it is something not very important, hence you can discard this and you can go back to the home screen again. Okay, so this is the functionality. Though this is a small app, but you will learn a lot about fetching the data, how you can implement Supabase and integrate Supabase into your React Native application, how you can create tables on Supabase, and how you can add or insert data into bulk inside the Supabase database. Okay, so you will learn how you can fetch the data on the UI, how you can integrate 10 stack query so that it can help us in order to manage our states easily. If you find this interesting, then definitely keep watching this tutorial at the end, and by the end of this video you will have this full stack app in your arsenal. Okay, and you can definitely showcase it on your portfolio as well. So now let us get started and start creating the Expo project.